Kadonses, at tayo na po ulit ay tatakbo ngayong umaga at ang oras ay 9:48 na po ng umaga. Kailangan nating maka 18 kilometers. The other day is naka 14 kilometers, pero nung the other day, which is dapat 12, ginawa kong 13, so wala akong utang. So ngayon, kailangan ko namang maka 18 kilometers. Kaya, good luck sa akin. Siguro, pwedeng hanggang San Roque, balikan. Tapos, magmula kasi dito hanggang Masinloc 10 kilometers. So, kung balikan ng 3-3, di naka 16 na ako kung sakali. Tapos, iikot ako ulit papuntang Masinloc. Dun sa mismong bayan, siguro maka 18 kilometers. Kaya, tara na mga kadonses, samahan nyo ko ngayon. At sana huwag nyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe, mag-comment, at mag-member po sa aking YouTube channel. At tayo po ay magsisimula na. First to kasi may laban ako, di ba? Kadonses, nandito na po tayo sa Barangay San Roque. Ano na po tayo? Babalik po tayo, pero pupunta po tayo ng Masinloc para po kailangan natin maka 18 kilometers. Na po tayo tumigil sa may Barangay Malibanga sa outpost ng police, and then pupunta na po tayo ng Masinloc at naka 4.5 kilometers na po ako at kailangan natin tapusin yung 18. Sana na lang po sila dito. Painom na po tayo ng mineral water at malamig, sarap sa pakaramdam na uminom ng sobrang lamig. Malayo pa pero may pag-asa naman. Sana nakakalahati na po ako mga kadonses para ang hirap para makayanan ko to. Mga kadonses, another 9 kilometers pa pala. Oh my goodness. Hello. What did you say? I'm now here in PTT station. Ay, mga kadonses. Sana makayanan ko pa ito. Sobrang init. It's 12:47 in the afternoon. It's already 1 o'clock at malapit na po tayo sa Barangay Baluganon at nandito na po tayo sa Masinloc. Mga kadonses, at naka 16 kilometers na po tayo. Maraming pong salamat at nakayanan naman. At another 2 kilometers. At magiging finisher na po tayo. At naka 18 kilometers na po tayo kung sakali. And then, diretso po tayo ng bayan para po bumili ng isda. As usual, isda, gulay. Hi mga ka-dauntless, at naka-smile na po tayo ngayon dahil malapit na po tayo maging finisher. At sana yung wish ko lang po, mas mabilis pa sana ako doon dito sa ginagawa ko kasi sobrang hirap po dahil nga nag-start po ako ng mainit na, tirik na yung araw. Ang hirap talaga. Huh. Huh. Tomorrow again is my rest day. After 18 kilometers of jog today, I need some rest. Time check, 1:32 in the afternoon. And we are here. Hello. Yeah po, main laban. We are here again. And congratulations! Congratulations to myself. Thank you, Lord. I made it. And I hope this is the beginning. And I need to continue to do this. But the right training, as I said. But again, my skin is dark. It's okay. We're going inside the town. Oh, thank you, Lord. Already done. I'm already done 11.43 miles and 18 kilometers, and thank you, Lord. And we are near in the town, so because the jog, so that we can also need to finish this. For how many steps, or we need to, how many steps that we can jog, and we're finished. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice day, and I hope you will help me and subscribe to my YouTube, and please be a member so that we can help usher animals. Thank you so much. God bless to everyone. Water is the most important, and congratulations, 18 kilometers already. Thank you, Lord. To God be the glory, to all praise, because God is the one who always gives us strength and always help us to do this. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm so happy right now that I finish and still strong. Thank you, Lord.